have I got a haul for you today. All right, we got tons of snacks, we got drinks, we got tons of stuff. So what's not? So I got these. I have six of them. And then I got some granola bars because obvious reasons. Butterfingers, nerds, and I got more Bluey fruit snacks and more cheese crackers. So I'm gonna start with I'll close my fridge because, yeah. First drawer, I'm gonna have candy. So these, they're resealable, so I'm kind of glad I grabbed this bag. Okay, so these. The Butterfingers, which are individually wrapped. And then, there's that. So, and then we're gonna have, I still have some of my chips left over, so I'll just put those in my second drawer. And then I'll open up my Bluey fruit snacks. How many? 22 pouches. I have 22 pouches of Bluey fruit snacks. Okay, my second drawer, I'll make it my cheese crackers and my granola bars. There's still some space for the granola bars.